Good morning to everyone. Ating mga gobernador, kanilang mga representatives that have come here, and of course our city mayor. Sinama ko na ang mayor natin ng Tacloban, who is also here, si Alfred, because he wanted to see what it is that we were doing. We came here because this is part of the continuing, shall we say, strengthening of our healthcare system. Yung healthcare system talaga gusto namin buuhin at gawing maganda dahil kawawa naman ang ating mga kababayan na nagkakasakit. So this is part of that, the strengthening of our healthcare program. Transport vehicle nga ito dahil karamihan naman yung mga ambulansya natin ginagamit yan to transport them to kung saan, to the regional hospital, kung dun sa hanggang Maynila o minsan, whatever it is. So, sa aming pananaw, this is the most practical. And kung titignan ninyo ang ating mga binigay, we chose precisely isang model na kayang madaling ayusin, maraming pyesa. Basta alagaan lang ninyo. Alagaan lang ninyo ng mabuti. Tatagal yan. As of now, out of the 1,642 cities and towns, we have been able to give away 1,173 na PTV. So, malapit na. Pinapangako sa akin ni Mel ang ating that by the end of the year, we will start already the second round. Kasi pag natapos na namin mag 100% na lahat itong 1,642 na bayan at saka lungsod, babalikan din namin. Meron dyan talaga, yung maliit, okay na yung isa. Pero yung malalaki, kulang. So baka bigyan na naman natin ng isa pa. So we have to, patuloy lang namin gagawin hanggang medyo naman maayos na yung ating sistema ng ganyan.
Nagulat si Presidente Bongbong Marcos na may ilang bayan sa bansa na first time palang magkaroon ng ambulance o patient transport vehicle. Binagit niya ito sa kanyang talumpati sa Ormoc City sa ginanap na turnover ng 124 patient transport vehicles. Ang mga first timers sa Leyte, Abuyog, Haro, Cananga, Matalom at Santa Fe, sa Samar, Tagapulan, sa Eastern Samar, General MacArthur, Salcedo, San Policarpio, Lapinig, San Vicente at Silvino Lobos sa Northern Samar.
Nagulat ako, binigyan ako ng listahan na meron pa pala tayong mga first-timer dito na first time na magkaroon ng ambulansya sa bayan ninyo. Sa Leyte, Abuyog, first time. Haro, first time. Haro, Cananga, Matalom, Santa Fe. And then in Samar, Tagapulan is the first time na magkaroon ng ambulansya. General MacArthur naman sa Eastern Samar, Salcedo, San Policarpio, Lapinig, San Vicente, Silvino Lobos. So, I'm very happy to be able to say na marami na rito ay 100% na. Kung kulang pa, sige, babalikan namin kayo if you still need kung ano pa. But this is our continuing effort to strengthen our healthcare system and to bring healthcare back. It is important, but also important are the facilities that we will be putting at the grassroots level so that yung problema na yun, na kasi karamihan naman ng problema yung sa baga, sa tiyan, buntis, yun. That's already 80+% of lahat ng mga pasyente natin. And then, yung iba, yung nasusugatan, nababalian, those can be taken care of at the barangay level. So, pipilitin namin na magkaroon ng barangay. For the first time in the Philippines, every single municipality and every single city has a doctor now. Kaya yun ang isang bagay na napaka-importante. And that is why we are encouraging, alam mo naman, yung ating mga nurse, ating mga doktor, ang iniisip umalis at magtrabaho sila sa abroad. But we are encouraging them to stay. And Pilipino naman yan. Of course, they want to help their own people. So nagiging maganda kaya nga namin nabuo yung one doctor per LGU. So patuloy namin gagawin ito and I'm glad to see all the recipients are here. Kayo mismo magdadrive dito pa uwi. Masyadong excited yung iba rito, yung lalo na yung mga first timer. Sabi ko, baka sila mismo mag-drive. Anyway, sige, basta dahan-dahan lang para hindi mabangga. Congratulations sa inyo lahat and we will keep going. Maraming salamat. Damo salamat.